Here's a video of your 2021 Cherokee 274 WK. You got the travel rack in the back, that'll flip down. 30 amp power supply hookup, comes with a 15 amp adapter. You got stabilizer jacks on each corner, so once you get set up and you get the trailer leveled out, then you want to crank those down, and that'll keep everything from wiggling around. Cable TV input here. We've torqued the wheels at 100 foot-pounds. The driver's done it on the way up here. We've done it. You should probably check it again periodically. Sewers here. Take the cap off, pull your gate valve in the front. That'll dump the waste. Once that's done, right above the shower here is your black tank flush. You'll hook a hose up to it, and it will clean your black tank out. Just make sure the gate valve's open when you're rinsing it. Go ahead and shut the black tank flush hose off. Close the black. Pull the gray, that's the bathroom sink and shower drain water, and that'll rinse everything out for you. City water connection. This is where you hook your water up. You run off the pressure from the hose. Otherwise, you take the cap off, fill the tank up, take all the water with you. This is a manual crank for the slide outs. So that's the back of the motor. You can stick a 1/4 inch hex in there on a drill, and you can run that room in and out. Water heater runs off electric or propane. If you want to turn off electricity, there's a switch here. They got taped off. If you want to turn off propane, there's a switch inside for propane. There's your drain plug for the water heater. 100 amp hour deep cycle interstate battery. 2 20-pound propane tanks. Those are full and ready to go. And you got your power jack up front. That'll raise and lower it. Got 2 powered awnings. Okay, this is going to let you know how full the battery is. I'm sorry, fresh water tank. Battery's full. Black one is bathroom, sink, and shower. Or I'm sorry, black one is toilet. Gray one is bathroom, sink, and shower. So this will monitor, and the lights will populate as the tank fills. Water pump is for the fresh water tank that you fill. If you're hooked up to the city water, again, then you wouldn't need to use it. Propane switch for the water heaters here. Electric switches outside. These are all lights. Slide out. This will run both slides. This will run both slides. Heating and cooling. You got fan low, fan high, cool low. That's continuous run. Cool auto is thermostat driven. And then you got heat. There's your microwave, stovetop. Open this up first. Select gas to one of the burners, and then as you're pressing and holding it with one hand, the other hand you want to rotate it, and that'll light the burner you have the gas running to. Same thing with the oven. Push and hold, and as you're pushing and holding it, you rotate it, that'll light the pilot on the oven. And there's some fancy lights on it too. Refrigerator's 11 cubic foot. It's absolutely huge. 12 volt runs off the battery in the solar panel. There's your fireplace. That'll actually kick out heat too. There's a male backer for the TV that comes with it, so you can just drop it in. Or you can bring it outside if you want to watch TV out there. There's your audio, video, and your antenna hookups. If you have any issues, all your breakers and fuses are down below. So anything that runs off electricity runs through a breaker. Anything that runs off the battery is fused, and if a fuse blows, a light will come on and let you know which fuse is blown. So you should be able to see that if you're walking around or sitting here inside. This will collapse down into a bed, so you just take the table off and it rests on those 2 pieces of trim underneath it, and then the cushions will flatten out. There's various USB ports. This is what the solar panel is producing right now. Not much with the lights. Or being in the building, I should say. There's your toilets. Drop your chemicals in here. It'll break the waste down, breaks the toilet paper down, helps with the odor. And you just step on the pedal, and that'll open up the port so you can dump your chemical right in there. Ground fault, if you lose power to the outlets, check this one. This could be affected. Air conditioner, you can open this vent up, and if it's a really hot day and cool mostly this room, 20% would go through the ducts, 80% would dump out in the living room. If you close it, then it's ducted through the whole trailer 100%. Here's for the second awning over this slide out. You run it in and out here. Fire extinguisher. You also have a smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, and a propane leak detector. I hope this video helps you guys. Of course, if you need anything, please give me a call. Thank you.